Hello, please welcome CNN International Africa News. This message is to former President of Republic of Uganda, Yoweri Museveni. Mr. Yoweri Museveni, the people of Republic of Uganda have spoken. On January 14, 2021, they choose for change and they elected a Bobby Wine as the President of the Republic of Uganda. And the whole world knows that. And international community, the Western Europe, United States, Britain, Canada, Australia, Caribbean, African countries, and African Union and Arab League recognize the legitimate President of Uganda is a Bobby Wine. You have committed many crimes. You killed many innocent young Ugandese citizens. And still, we know a few hours you detain the newly elected president, Bobby Wine. And you have also in attention, you may kill Bobby Wine. But I want to let you know, international community are with people of Uganda, and they respected the choice people of Uganda made to elect their president, Bobby Wine. If you think that you can oppress the people and keep people of Uganda as a hostage, my friend, you are wrong, like Saddam Hussein, Muammar Gaddafi, Mengistu Haile Mariam, Siad Barre of Somalia, and other African dictators like Samuel Doe, Liberia. You are going down the same road took Samuel Doe of Liberia. Now, it's a chance for you to accept the outcome of the election and make a peaceful transition orderly to the newly elected President of Uganda, Bobby Wine. The United States and European Union are watching you very closely, and also the International Criminal Court has some record for you, which you may, in the future, answer the crime you commit. Now, the time is up. Your time in Uganda, it's over. It's time you come to the realization. The change has come, and Ugandan people are not turning back. They want a better future, a better life, and freedom and liberty to enjoy their life.